Hi everyone, welcome to travelworld.ps. Today we are in Big Sur, California, and on our way back we are headed to the Limekiln State Park. This is the campground area, which is closed right now, so there's no one camping here. But it looks very good. So right here at the bridge is where the campsites ended, like at number 23. I guess number 1 to 12 are at the ocean, then 13 to 22 are next to the creek. So this is the first junction, and the right goes to Hare Creek, which is closed, as you can see here. So we are going left to Limekiln and also to the falls and to the kiln. On the right here is the path that goes to the Limekiln Falls, and it's closed. Probably some storm damage, I think, that's why. So hopefully it will be back up in a few months. And for now, we are gonna continue straight to the Limekiln. This really feels like, we are in Oregon or somewhere. Like, it's much more green. It's green in California, but not like Oregon. I feel especially like Portland and redwoods too. Yeah, feels more like redwoods too. We are almost at the hill. I can see some huge domes over there. That's 1, 2, I don't know, 3, 4 of them that I can see here. Now we have come to the ocean side, so we took a left from the entry, and the campgrounds are 1 to 12 over here. That's where we are parked. The campground is closed, so we could park anywhere as of now. But it's a very good day use area. There are restrooms here for the camping as well as for day use. It's right below the preset one.